So I just closed a paying client 5 days into the 1K in 30-day challenge. I literally just closed a paying client 5 days into the challenge. And on top of that, the outreach that I did, the video that I did on how I outreach to clients, that prospect also replied to me saying that they wanted to keep in touch because they know that they need to improve their email marketing, and they also have like a new summer app thing coming out, so they want to stay in touch as well. So now I've got two client leads, and a prospect. And a paid client. Two client leads and a paid client 5 days into the challenge. And like, I'm flabbergasted. If this doesn't show you and prove, if this doesn't just prove to you that it's completely possible to make money with copywriting, if this doesn't show you that it is possible, I literally did this with no personal brand, with no copy practice in like half of a year, and just as a complete starter, I just started from scratch, and in 5 days I got a paid client. Now I'm gonna quick shout out Marcus Chavez. Link will be in the description. He put in a referral, and I managed to close the client. So yeah, this guy's a legend. Go subscribe to him. But yeah, two client leads and a paid client 5 days into the 1K in 30-day challenge. Now, I'm honestly flabbergasted. I don't actually have anything to say. Like, I can't describe it. I can't say how I did it. I can't say, like, it was a simple process. We was messaging. He needed a copywriter. We hopped on a call. He asked me a few questions, and he was instantly like, yeah, like, what's the prices? Let's do this. Here's this. This is the scripts that you need to write. I only have 2 scripts for you. I just need them in 2 days, etc. Preferably before that, but in 2 days. So he was already adamant on closing or hiring me from the beginning. So it's not like it's not like I had to do any work on the sales call. Like, I recorded the whole thing. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna upload it and be like, this is how I close clients on a sales call in the 1K in 30-day challenge. But then I was like, I literally didn't close them. I was just kind of listening to what he was saying. If that was any other sales call, I probably would have fumbled the bag. But yeah, it's not like I actually did anything to persuade him to hire me. Like, he already knew what he wanted from the beginning, right? But yeah. And then that's about it. Now I've got a script writing gig, which, keep in mind, script writing is the bottom of what I practice as a copywriter. I'm more experienced in emails and landing pages and stuff, and not script writing. But I know how to script write. I know how to make a template for myself. You've already seen the template that I did for the email. The email template is basically the same process, just with scripts. So it's just the same thing, and over time I'll get the hang of it. That's why I didn't want him to pay me instantly. I didn't want him to pay me instantly because I wanted to show my worth, show and prove my worth as a copywriter, as opposed to just asking for money instantly and then giving him a half-assed result. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm confident in my ability to be able to give him what he needs and go further than that. But yeah, it's just gonna take a bit of time. And yeah, man, thank God, alhamdulillah, that I managed to get a paid client this early in the challenge. So that's gonna make the whole thing much easier. But yeah, like I said, this shows you that it's possible to make money as a copywriter as a complete beginner. This shows you that it's possible. 5 days, bro. 5 freaking days. That's how long it took. I'm just amazed. I'm surprised, I'm shocked, I'm amazed. I genuinely have nothing else to say. All right, before I go, I just wanted to say, join the freaking Discord, bro. join the Discord. Link is in the description. You know, I'll personally review your copy. Everyone in there will review your copy, help you with your outreach, help you with your copywriting. If you want to do the 1K in 30-day challenge, we're going to help you with that too. You know, help you with your value outreach, etc. Just a community of copywriters that will help you on your whole copywriting journey. Community in the description. If you want that, then just join. Just join. You can get the exact same results that I did, that I've mentioned in this video. So yeah, don't overthink the client acquisition process, bro. There's no need to overthink the client acquisition process. Just put your head down, outreach, send value, and in time, God willing, you will get a client, bro. You will get a client. I promise you that. So yeah, don't overthink it. Just trust your intuition and do your own thing. Peace.